What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? I got my kids in there watching Sonic the Hedgehog in the other room. We got a box here to unbox. Double-bladed bat knife on deck. Let's get into it. Small box inside of a large box. This is the Beta75X 2S Whoop drone, it says, but this one is a special one. This is a newer version of it. Right now, looking at the box, there's really no way to tell that this is a new version. Let's get inside the box to see if I really know what I'm talking about. Okay, we got an extra canopy in here. We have some props in here. Let's throw that off to the side. And let's pull this guy out. So this is the 75X. Oh, it comes with a battery too. And I love these batteries here. I actually have two of these that I bought off Amazon. These are the Beta FPV 2S 350 milliamp hour. I think they're 35C. Yes, 35C. Really nice performance from those for me. Let's sit this down for a second and pull out this. So we have a little card in here. Sit that to the side. No instructions manual. So I guess there's just one way that I'm going to be able to see if this is the new version that I'm talking about. Now what it is this now is supposedly coming with a 12 amp ESC that's 2S to 3S compatible. So this should be a 3S compatible version now, according to the website. Let me see if I can see inside there anywhere. So I thoroughly checked and it turns out this thing is just the regular version. This only has a 10 amp ESC. I was able to see it from on the bottom here. You guys are probably not even going to be able to see it. Actually, it's there. You guys can see that. 10 amp ESC on the left there. It's upside down to you guys there, but that's what that is. So I guess we're going to have to send this thing back. But before I send this back, I decided that I do want to do a comparison with this thing. So this is the 75X from Beta FPV, and this is supposed to be, quote unquote, the big boy version of their little brushless 2S Whoop. And the smaller version is supposedly the 75 Pro 2. And I have one of those. If you guys been watching the channel, you know that that's one of my favorites. And so I'm very familiar with that. And I was always wondering if this one had more punch, as they say, or if this one is faster. It definitely is a little heavier. Actually, let's do a quick weight on this one. Okay, so now it's on grams. It's zeroed out. So this thing is coming in at 41.4 grams. And let's try the Pro 2. The Pro 2 that I have is coming in at 27.6 grams. So definitely a lot lighter. And let's get on with that comparison. Alright, this is the 75X. We're in Acro now. Let's look at a Punchout. Check out some flying. Pretty fast. Man, I gotta turn my rate up. The rates on this thing is down really low. I'm actually gonna send this thing back because they were advertising a new version on Amazon. They said that this thing now has 12 amp ESCs and it's capable of 3S. So I bought some new 300 milliamp hour 3S packs that'll fit in here and all. But then when I checked the board, it's only 10 amps. So I'm going to send this back, but I just wanted to do this comparison to the Pro 2. Let's check another punch out. Okay, so we don't want this video to be too long, so let's bring it in and check out the Pro 2.
Welcome to OpenTX.
Same deal. Pro 2. I've been flying this thing for a while now, so it's not brand new, but let's check out the punch out. So this one is, you can feel definitely that it's lighter. Let's do some flying. So this one is as fast. Let's do another punch out. I think the punch out is very comparable, very comparable punch outs from these two. Now one thing I did notice is that this does seem to do more of a looping flip when I do fast flips with it. Floats really nice though, recovers really nice. This one might recover nicer than the X does from power loops and stuff like that. Power loops. So I don't know, it looks like this one might have a little more punch. Maybe the power to weight ratio is a little better on this one, and that's why. Oops. And I banged out. This thing definitely can take some crashes. I've been crashing this thing since I got it. And I really don't want to kill this battery, so let's bring it in. So that's it for this quick comparison. So which one y'all think was better? The Pro 2, the 75 Pro 2, or the 75X Punchout? So this one has 1103, 1100 kV motors, and this one has 802. I believe there are 17,000 kV motors. Yep. So there you go.